This is Hovsco Porto e-scooter. All right, time to unbox this baby. All right, so now that we've got it all assembled, let me give you a quick tour around the Hovsco Porto e-scooter. So right over here, you'll see that the Porto Max has a 500 watt peak and a 350 sustained brushless motor that has a top speed of up to 19 miles per hour and a range of 35 miles. It also has a dual braking system, a disc brake and an electric brake to make it highly responsive in all types of conditions. This e-scooter has 12-inch puncture-proof tires. From my experience with scooters, the bigger tires like these have proven to be easier and better to handle over bumps, curbs, or just plain old crappy streets. Plus, it also has a fender on both front and rear, which is good for those wet road days. The deck is wide enough for both feet to sit side by side comfortably. Right over here on the deck, towards the front, is where you would put your cord to charge. In the manual, it does say you can only use the power adapter that it comes with originally. A 36-volt lithium battery. It weighs only 43 pounds, making it lightweight and very easy to transport. This e-scooter has a really cool feature that I've never really seen in other scooters or bikes, and that's an automatic headlight. So as it gets dark or going through a dim tunnel, the headlight automatically will detect insufficient light and turn on. But you can also control it manually by pressing the power button. Now, if we go on the handlebar, you can see that the LCD screen is built in. There's nothing sticking out. You can't break it on anything because it's literally built into the post. And you have some soft hand grips right here with the brake lever and a brake lever on the right, and then the thumb throttle right here. Now let's move on to the LCD display. The Porto uses a smart dashboard to start or close the e-scooter. In the display, you'll see the cruise control, speed, battery life, and gear mode. Gear mode gives you 3 speeds: L for low, and it can go up to 4 miles per hour, M for medium, and it can go up to 12 miles per hour, and H for high, and that can go up to 19 miles per hour. So if we move down the handlebar tube, you're gonna see a latch, okay? This allows you to open it and put the handlebar down, making it easier and more compact to store in your vehicle. This is a feature I really like, especially when I need to bring it in my motorhome. It's definitely a space saver and gives me portability and flexibility, which is a must in my lifestyle. Now let's check out the seat. It's very cushiony and wide, like a comfort seat, and also has a built-in suspension. That's something I also don't see that often when it comes to e-scooters. So definitely a plus. Of course, it also comes with height adjustment. So overall, I'm really digging the seat. It looks like it would be a very comfortable ride. The Porto also comes with a removable utility rear cargo basket. This feature comes in real handy when you're making a quick trip to the grocery store or to the beach. Just throw your stuff in the basket and no stress having to juggle all your stuff while you ride. Now that we've gone over a majority of the tech specs and the features, I'm just gonna put on the screen some additional measurements, and then let's go for a quick test ride. But before we start riding, I wanna make sure we have enough air in both the tires. The manual states that the PSI should be about 45 to 50. Let's start off with low. Okay, brakes are good and responsive. Oh yeah. 4 is very slow. I guess it's supposed to be for like if you're trying to go through leisurely, you know, type of riding. So let's go ahead and, yep, and I'm getting 4 to 5 miles per hour. Now, let's go ahead and bump it up to medium. Okay, yep. Go faster, so that's good. Going 11 miles per hour right now. Feels very sturdy. Now this is for more of a balanced riding. All right, now let's bump it up to high. They're about 17, 18 miles per hour. All right, so far, riding pretty smooth. So it rides pretty good in grass, especially if you need to take a shortcut or you just want to go and explore. Okay, it made it up. That was a little bit. That was at 15% grade, and we made it up. It went like 5 miles per hour, but we were still good. All right, let's talk about my overall thoughts. So as I'm riding it, it is very smooth and comfortable. It will get the job done, especially for the price point. If Hovsco was to make a Porto Max 2, what I would like to see is possibly having the handlebars rise a little higher and the seat rise a little higher. That way you have an option to stand or sit and maybe have a little bit more power. Possibly go to 22 miles per hour. And I understand if you want more speed, you gotta have a little more upgrade of a motor, which will cost a little more. So I'm pretty fine with it being the way it is right now. Other than that, this is a great affordable e-scooter with a basket as a plus. Plus it has some other features on here. If you would like to check this scooter out for yourself or any of the Hovsco products, you can find the link in the video description. Also, if you want a discount, you can use my discount code that is below in the video description also. And if you have any questions regarding this scooter, go ahead and comment it down below. All right, y'all, but I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button because I have more product reviews going out. And like I said, this is the perfect one to get around, especially if you're in a motorhome and you don't have another vehicle. This is a great scooter to have to get to the grocery store, run some errands, or just go explore. But until next time, see you guys maybe on the water or the street. All right, bye.